If you want to use formula, then there are some basics for you. Go to the notebook, you will see the search bar there. Go to the search box, and type equal, and then type ADD to add expenses on the notebook. Fill all the details, and press the Enter key on the keyboard, to save the record. If you want to change any data in the notebook, select the data, which you want to modify, and then go to the search box and type equal, and then type MODIFY. Modify the data what you want to change, and press the Enter key on the keyboard, to save changes. If you want to delete data from the notebook, just select the data, which you want to delete, and then go to the search box, and type equal, and then type DELETE, and then press the Enter key on the keyboard, to delete the record from the table. If you want to print notebook record, go to the search box, and type equal, and then type PRINT, it will show your print preview window. Click on the print icon to print the record. You can use the sum formula to do a sum. Go to the search box, and type equal, and then type SUM, and give an opening parenthesis. And select the cell on the table, then give a comma. And select the next cell. You will see the result on the search box, after the greater than sign. If you are using commas, then it will add the numbers. If you are using minus sign, then it will subtract the numbers in a sequence. If you are using asterisk sign, then it will multiply the numbers in a sequence. If you are using / sign, then it will divide the numbers in a sequence. To write your user ID, go to the search box, and type equal, and then type USERID, and give the greater than sign, and then type HELP, it will write your user ID, in the search box. To write the date formula with the current date, go to the search box, and type equal, and then type DATE, and give the greater than sign, and then type HELP, it will write the date formula in the search box. To write the user ID and date formula with the current date, go to the search box, and type equal, and then type USERID, and then give an ampersand sign, and type DATE, and give the greater than sign, and then type HELP, it will write the user ID and date formula in the search box. If you want to refresh your table, then go to the search bar, and type equal, and then type RFS, and give the exclamation mark, it will refresh the table.